In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dark mode in Gmail. If you spend a lot of time in your inbox, switching to a darker look can reduce glare, feel easier on the eyes in the evening, and give your workspace a more focused vibe. We'll do this on a computer using a web browser, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel on the right side of your screen. This panel lets you make visual changes without leaving your inbox, which is exactly what we want. Inside the Quick Settings panel, look for the Theme section. There's a button labeled View All. Go ahead and click View All to open the full theme gallery. You'll see a grid of images and color options that change how Gmail looks. Now scroll through the gallery until you find the solid black square labeled Dark. It's a simple tile with a deep black background. There are other themes that may look moody or darker, but the one actually labeled Dark is the standard dark mode for Gmail's interface. Click the dark tile to preview how it looks. Gmail will show you the change right away so you can get a feel for it. If you like what you see, click Save. As soon as you save, the darker style is applied across your inbox, side panels, and most interface elements. It's quick and fully reversible if you change your mind later. A quick heads up, standard dark mode focuses on the Gmail interface. Some individual emails may still display with white or bright backgrounds. That's because many newsletters and messages are designed with fixed colors or images, and Gmail preserves that content so it looks the way the sender intended. If you'd prefer everything to appear dark, including the contents of most emails, consider using a browser extension that applies a dark style to web pages. A popular option is Dark Reader. Extensions like this can override page colors to produce a more consistent dark experience. As with any third-party tool, review its permissions and adjust its settings to suit your preferences. And that's all it takes. Open Gmail, click the Settings gear, choose View All under Theme, select the dark tile, and hit Save. Enjoy a more comfortable, night-friendly inbox that you can switch back from any time by returning to the theme gallery and picking a different look.